In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change privacy settings on Discord. We will walk through the key options so you control who can contact you and how your data is used. To begin, open Discord on your computer. This can be the Windows app, the Mac app, or the version in your browser. Once it loads, you should see your servers listed on the left, your channels in the middle, and your profile bar running along the bottom edge. Now look at the very bottom left of the Discord window and click the User Settings gear icon next to your name and avatar. When you click it, a new settings screen opens, with a long list of sections on the left and detailed options on the right, so do not worry if the layout suddenly changes. From here, select Messaging Permissions from the list on the left side. This section focuses on how people can interact with you in chats. When you click it, the main panel updates and you will see several options grouped under Messaging and Safety. Under Direct Message Permissions, adjust who can send you direct messages. You will see choices such as allowing messages from server members or limiting them to certain groups. As you click different options, the switches and checkboxes update right away, so the change is active without any extra save button. Next, select Friend Requests to control who can add you. This lets you decide whether everyone, friends of friends, or only certain people can send a friend request. If you ever wonder why random users cannot add you, it is usually because of the settings in this area. For your profile, go to Data and Privacy, then Profile Privacy. The left menu jumps to the Data and Privacy section, and on the right you will see Profile Privacy Controls. This is where Discord decides how visible pieces of your profile are to others. Choose your preferred privacy level. You might see options that limit who can see things like your connections or activity. Take a moment to read each description on screen, then click the level that matches how public or private you want your profile to be. Now let us turn off Discord data personalization. If you want to limit how Discord uses your information, stay in User Settings and open Data and Privacy again if you navigate it away. The right side shows a group of toggles about how your data is collected and used. Find Use Data to personalize my Discord experience. This setting lets Discord use your activity to tailor suggestions such as recommended servers or features. Turn the option off. Once you click the toggle, it should switch color or slide to the opposite side, confirming personalization is disabled for your account. You can also turn off Use Data to improve Discord from the same area. This reduces how much of your usage data is shared back to Discord for analysis, and the toggle changes instantly when you click it. You have now customized who can contact you and how Discord uses your data, giving your account a much tighter privacy setup. If this helped you lock down your Discord privacy, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more guides like this.